Hello students, welcome to yet another video of College Deco. In this video, we will talk about how to choose the right fashion design course for you. If you are willing to start a career in fashion designing, then it is very important to choose a program wisely. With the rising popularity, the range of fashion designing courses is also increasing. Due to so many choices currently available, it often gets confusing to narrow down and pick up the perfect one for you. We have listed a few factors that must be kept in mind while making this difficult decision. The first factor is your interest, followed by your educational qualifications, course curriculum, course duration, course accreditation, teaching techniques, practical exposure, placement opportunities, course fee, and last but not the least, institute offering the course. Now let us elaborate on each point one by one. Starting off with the point number 1, that is your interest. Before going for any course, ask yourself, what is it that you are passionate about? It is important to have your heart in the program in order to excel in future. Make sure that you are fully into the course and the specialization, because if not, sooner or later you will get bored and it would affect your career immensely. Next is your educational qualifications. Before picking up a program, check out its entire eligibility criteria and whether or not you satisfy them. If you do not meet the eligibility norms, chances are that you would not get admission in the desired course. Moving on to the course curriculum. It is vital to be aware of all the important subjects, topics, and projects you will encounter after taking admission in the program. Scan the course curriculum and find out if it is interesting and informative enough. Also, make sure to analyze whether or not the curriculum has the potential of inculcating the right skills, aptitude, and knowledge. Course duration is another factor that provides a filter to the candidates. How much time are you willing to spend on a fashion designing program determines your program selection. If you wish to go for a short-term course, there are a variety of diploma and certificate programs available for you. Those wanting to take up a distance learning course can go for online courses, while others willing to pursue a traditional course can look out for popular degree programs in fashion design such as Bachelor of Design in Fashion Design, BSc in Fashion and Design, BA in Fashion Design, and many more. Another vital factor that must not be avoided is the accreditation of the course. A recognized course means that the program has undergone a rigorous quality check by competent authorities and meet the high standard of quality. An accredited course ensures a better guarantee of a lucrative career in design. The faculty members and their teaching techniques are two crucial elements that contribute in the smooth functioning of a course. Do your research beforehand and make sure that all the pointers, including the cooperative learning, visualization, inquiry-based instruction, behavioral management, technology used in the classroom, professional development, are getting ticked. Fashion designing is all about skill development and practical learning. If your program only supports a theoretical approach and has no or less scope of practical learning, then there lies a problem. Make sure that the practical exposure is being met and you are constantly learning a skill or two from industry experts. Before picking up a course, check out the placement opportunities, history, and background of the program. Go through the list of recruitment partners and the salary offered by them. You need to invest your time and money in a course that has the potential of offering you excellent employment opportunities in the future. Your budget is always essential factor that helps you in picking up an institute and a course. Check the fee of the desired program and make sure that it fits your budget correctly. If not, check if the institute provides any scholarship or loan facilities. Choosing the right institute is as important as picking up the right programs. Visit the brochure of the college and talk to the alumnus. Find out if the college is equipped with modern facilities and follows an updated curriculum or not. You also need to make sure that the faculty members are highly qualified, extracurricular activities are organized, placement training and internships are provided. Also, make sure to check the history, recognitions, location, awards, and campus of the college. If you are unsure about which fashion design colleges are best for you, we have curated a list. With an advanced curriculum, highly knowledgeable faculty members, and excellent placement opportunities, they are definitely among the popular choices right now. The top fashion designing institutes include National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, International Institute of Fashion Design, Pune, Arch College of Design and Business, Jaipur, Industrial Design Center, IIT Bombay, Amity University, Mumbai, Indian Institute of Art and Design, New Delhi, Sage University, Indore, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Mumbai, Center for Design Excellence, Jaipur, Pearl Academy, Mumbai, Mayor's MIT Institute of Design, Pune, United World Institute of Design, Gandhinagar, and Vogue Institute of Art and Design, Bangalore. The annual course fee depends on the program and institute you have chosen. It may range from Rs 50,000 to Rs 17.4 lakh. Hope these tips will help you out in choosing the right fashion design course. If you require any admission related help, do not hesitate to reach out to our admission experts. Just dial the student helpline toll-free number 1800-572-9877 and get personalized assistance. To know more about fashion design courses and admissions, keep visiting our website www.collegedeco.com.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.